Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports aluminum number plate kit for Polaris 2025 Plus Pro R. Install time for this item is around 15 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project, so gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Attach mounting bracket. Begin by removing the T40 Torx bolt located next to the rear speaker. Install the provided bracket by aligning the end with the tighter bend to the mounting point where the T40 Torx bolt was just removed. With the bracket in place, you can now reinstall the T40 Torx bolt. With the bolt hand threaded, you can fasten the bolt using a drill with a Torx bit. Step 2. Attach the number plate. The intake has 2 factory holes in it. You will utilize the first hole to secure the number plate using the plastic push pin. Begin by aligning the number plate with the 2 mounting holes. You will notice the number plate has a small lip on the bottom. This lip must slide under the factory plastic rear fender. Once the number plate is properly aligned, insert the push pin through the number plate and into the intake to hold it in place. You can use a trim removal tool to help push the clip into the intake. Next, use the provided M5 hardware to secure the number plate to the bracket. Fasten the hardware using a drill with a 3mm hex bit and a drive ratchet with an 8mm socket. With one side complete, you can repeat these steps for the opposite side. A graphic template is available for download on the product page. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the dirt with DRT.